Okay, so it's been too long, and I must say Happy New Year to all of you guys. I think this is like the 11th day of the New Year, and I'm just checking in. But I just thought that I'd go live to show you guys Knutsford Express new airport location in Mobe. So they actually have a self check-in kiosk. It's pretty nice out here, much more spacious. So you know, I usually have people in my life, but the staff is shy. So I'm just going to show you guys around. Yeah. So here you have the entrance. Let me just go outside. I hope the Wi-Fi picks up here. But yeah. So you have the entrance here, which is not bad, right? Big spacious place for parking. And yeah, see? Right, Knutsford Express, and then you step in here. That's my luggage over here, and then you come to the self-check kiosk. You can weigh your luggage here, and then you would check in here, but it's not on now, so you can't see it. So it's actually in Montego Bay, right by the airport. So if it is that you take the Knutsford, you don't necessarily have to go all the way to Pier 1. You can stop here, which is not bad. So yeah, and then here is the check-in counter. All of the shy people. You see them just walking past my life? Yes, guys. So just in case you did not know, now you know that Montego Bay has, Knutsford Express has two locations. So one by Pier 1 and the new one is by the airport. Also, I have somebody talking to me. You want to come my live?
Sorry?
Okay. What's your name?
Joan.
Hold on. Wait. Your name is?
Miss Stacy. Joan Facey.
Joan
Facey.
Yes. Alright. So Joan Facey, what do you like about working with Knutsford Express?
Well, experience, meet new people, nice people like you.
Yeah. And
it's nice.
Alright, so we have people from all over the world watching this live, right? And they really, most of them really love Jamaica. This is Jamaicans.com Facebook page. Tell me 5 things about Jamaica that makes you smile.
Smile? Well, the good food,
Yes.
Right? Cocky and salvage was breakfast.
Yeah,
Fried bake and...
Fried what?
Fried bake, we see fried dumpling.
Fried bake?
Yes.
Are you from Trinidad?
That is Trinidad, okay. And you have cooked fig, which is green banana.
Yes.
Yeah, so.
Alright, so that's
Jamaica's real cool. You get your coconut water.
Yes.
And your cane. A nice environment. You go by the river.
She's a Trini Jamaican and a Trini Jamaican. Alright, so and then so that's 2.
Yeah.
So about the cool, the fact that it's cool. What else? I need 3 more things.
Well, regardless, Knutsford is #1 for Jamaica.
Alright, so Knutsford Express.
If you need a job, yes, Knutsford welcome you. And you want to go anywhere in Jamaica, Knutsford buses are here.
Alright, what about 2 more? Tell me 2 more things about Jamaica. You're like, come on.
Well, it's my country.
It's your country, so you're from Jamaica? So you get that Trini accent?
Because I went to Trinidad.
How long have you been?
For 1 year and 6 months.
What? So you pick up an accent?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. And tell me that final thing that you love about Jamaica.
Well, I have to love Jamaica because my growing country. I'm born in Jamaica here. So I love Jamaica. Where
in Jamaica are you from?
I'm from Trelawney.
Where?
Trelawney, Albertown section.
Albertown, Trelawney. Guys, if you know about Albertown, Trelawney is actually the next parish beside
Falmouth is the
so Falmouth is the
parish,
the capital,
Trelawney,
and then Trelawney is the parish. Right after you pass on your way to St. Anne's, it's right after you have left St. James. So you have St. James, Trelawney, and then St. Anne.
Yes.
Thank you so much for your name.
Miss Stacy, Joan Stacy.
So look here, when you come to Knutsford Express airport, look out for Miss Joan Facey. Give her a hug. You understand? Because she was very, very warm to me. I'm not saying that the other staff wasn't warm, but they were too shy.
Romaine and Andrew.
Alright, see Romaine and Andrew, so we'll load them up. As always, you know, guys, I go live randomly and just show you beautiful Jamaica with this feature. So look out for another live. Happy New Year, all the best. Remember that I'm not only on Jamaicans.com, I also maintain my blog, livewellja.com, and I'm also active on my own Facebook page, Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt, and on Instagram as well, Mowatt. So go ahead and follow me, go ahead and check out my blog. Thank you so much for the love. Oh, somebody saying big up Albert Town. Security tight on the bus, nice. Yes, the security is quite tight. Comfortable ride home. Take too long, but alright.
Experience.
Yes, and you experience the beautiful scenery. Like, it's really, really beautiful. Traveling down on Knutsford, you really get to experience.
You want the real good yam? You go to Chilani. She's Town.
Say that again?
You want the real good yam? We'll go to Town or Halbertown, alright?
Okay, yes. If you want the real good yam.
Yellow yam.
Yellow yam.
Yes.
Alright, guys. Come this side. Use Knutsford Express and travel to Jamaica. Alright, until next time. It's so much plug I give in for Knutsford Express. Okay. Until next time, I'm Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt and stay sweet.